Are you a blogger and you are struggling to rank your blog post on the first page of Google? You know, you are at the right place. So today I am going to share 7 ways, or you can say it is 7 tips, how you can improve your Google ranking faster. So before moving forward, let me remind you, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe that, and also press the bell icon so that whenever I will upload a video, you will get notified. Moving forward, tip number 1, keyword research. If you are a blogger, keyword research is the basic step which you should follow. You can do keyword research by many tools. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, but if you want to use free tools, I'll suggest Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is the number 1 tool you should go with, which gives you the accurate results than any other free tools. The second tool which I'll recommend you, the tool by Google, which is Google Keyword Planner. This is the second tool. And the third tool which I'll recommend you is Keyword Everywhere. This is an extension which you can use in Chrome or any other browsers, which will give you the results just below the search bar, and also with the LSI keywords. If you will go for paid one, Href is the best, which gives you the accurate result. Tip number 2, write an article with more than 2000 words. According to Brian Dean, the founder of Prolinko, the average article size which is ranked on the first page has an average word length of 1890 words. So to rank on the first page, this is the basic necessities which I can say nowadays, that if you have a good content of more than 2000 words, that will be great. Tip number 3, sprinkle LSI keywords. LSI keywords are the similar keywords which are searched on any search engine. If you will search on Google, you will find some suggestions given by Google. That is nothing but LSI keywords. Also, after the search, if you will scroll it down, you will find the section at the bottom which is having few keywords. That is nothing but LSI keywords. Use that LSI keyword and sprinkle it over your post so that your post becomes more SEO friendly. So tip number 4, on-page SEO. On-page SEO has broad spectrum, but if you want, I can make a video on that, on-page SEO. But you have to do on-page SEO where you have to modify your title, you have to modify your meta descriptions, you have to use alt tags in your images, you have to use headings and subheadings, you have to include the keywords in your headings and subheadings. Or if you are on WordPress, it's become so easy by using the plugin called Yoast. If you're not on WordPress, if you are using Blogger, you have to do these few things which I have stated as on-page. This is the basic. If you want the advanced on-page SEO tutorial, you just comment below. I'll write a post and also make a video on that. So tip number 5, use infographics. Infographics are the best way to rank any website. If you are providing infographics, you get more chance to rank your website or your post on the top, because Google prefers infographics more than the text. So if you are using infographics, there are more chances that your post will rank higher than any other post which is having no infographics. Tip number 6, use video. Like I'm shooting this, you can also take your phone or shoot, or if you have camera, you can shoot video from that. you can use that video. Google thinks that is providing more information, or you can use others video also, no matters, but use the video in your post so that your post value increase. Google thinks that video provides more values as comparison to text, so use videos to rank your post faster. Tip number 7, this is the last tip. You should share your post everywhere on all the social medias, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on Pinterest, on LinkedIn, everywhere. You just share your post, because sharing will provide you some traffic, and you know the traffic is the best factor in ranking your website. Here is the bonus tips for you. Always select long tail keyword, because long tail keywords are more converting, and to rank on long tail keyword is much easier. Yes, of course you will get less traffic, but at least you will get a traffic, and you already know that traffic is the key to rank your post faster. So if you follow all these 7 plus 1 tips, your website will rank faster. If you want to ask any questions from me, you can just comment below, and also share this video to all your blogger friends. So that's it from today's video. Thank you for watching.